guys, welcome back. Cody's Auto Diagnostics. So I got a PT Cruiser here, doesn't matter what year. I just wanted to show you guys. Got the Uscope, maybe, hold on. So I got the Uscope here. Wanted to show you that you can do a relative compression test with this as well. Mario from Super Mario Diagnostics, on my last relative compression test, doing it at the DLC, he mentioned go to the cigarette lighter. You can do the same thing from the cigarette lighter, which that's a brilliant idea. It is. Unfortunately, so I wanted to test that theory because I have never done it from the cigarette lighter before. And I'm sure every single make and model is going to be different. Unfortunately, on this Chrysler, on this PT Cruiser, when you crank the vehicle, it takes the power from the cigarette lighter. So I'll show you what I mean. So Chryslers are nice, they have the clear flood mode, so pedal all the way to the floor while you're cranking it will disable the vehicle from starting. So if you look here, pedal all the way down to the floor and I crank it. See that cigarette lighter? See the little light on it? How it's out? See how it comes back? Can't do it from this one. But remember, on other makes and models, I'm sure you probably can. Again, you can do the same. You can do an RC test with the Uscope. And how I have this set up, show you guys here. I have it on 100 millivolt scale, 200 milliseconds. I brought the ground up. So that's how I have that set up. I have the breakout box, the bob. Pin 16 is power, pin 4 is ground. But I have the AC from AES Wave. This converts a DC signal into an AC for the Uscope. Okay. But I wanted to show you guys another trick, how I told you last time to invert the waveform, which you can invert the waveform on this scope. But another trick is swap the power and ground. So the ground is on battery positive, and then your other lead is on ground. So this just doing that right there, this has a floating ground on it, so you're able to do this. Not every scope you can do this with, but doing this will invert that waveform without having to go in and do any other adjustments on this. Pedal to the floor. Okay. This little Uscope, $150 tool. I think it's $149 from AES Wave. Awesome little scope, and I just absolutely love this thing. Just what it can do. To do this, you have to have the AC filter. Does not come with the basic kit, so you need to add that unless you get the master kit. So again, scopes are where it's at. This is an awesome test. Cheap little scope. Love this thing. Love it. Talk to you guys later.